how to fix Instagram camera effects or filters not working. So if you're facing problem with the Instagram camera effects or filter, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram, and after opening your Snapchat you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-bar icon, and then settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy scroll down and go to help, and now go to report a problem and tap on report a problem. And now what you have to write is, you have to write about your camera effects and your filter is not working and about your problem. And after writing, you can simply tap on send, which is on the upper right corner. And after that you can also upload any issue, like you can simply take a screenshot of the filter or the effect if you are not finding that one, and you can upload that here. And after that you can simply tap on send, and that's it. That's the way to fix your issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.